302 right here, Abaco Island, Lucaya Lakes. This was the fully furnished house. So this is a two-part. One, when there is a small supply and demand and you really want to get top dollar, you can make your house stick out more than anything else. Do what I did. I did a fully furnished house right here, and we had unbelievable amount of showings for the open house and tons of offers that came in. People were just so wow. Now, it also creates offers that say, we don't need the furnishings because we got them in the door, right? But the part two is this. We had an offer come over where the buyer gave a limit to Uber Eats for the seller as they were getting ready to move. So we'll give you $150 credit to Uber Eats. You can order whatever you want. What I loved about that offer is it made it stand out. Just like I made this house stand out as a listing agent, that agent made their offer stand out. Now, I don't know if we accept it or not because we're still going over offers, but with all the offers coming over and seeing something like that, you're like, wow, that's really impressive because it caught my eye, and now you remember that offer. Home inspection time frame, escrow, doing something crazy, creative, stand out. Your offer needs to stand out, just like I wanted this house to stand out. How are you making your offer stand out? So, open houses work. There he is. Open houses work. Make your house stand out. And when you're coming in to present an offer, make your offer strong and stand out. Uber Eats, that was awesome, impressive. Got to give credit what credit's due. On to the next house.